Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted Facebook messages. If you're using Facebook and you want to recover your deleted Facebook messages, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app or you have to open your Facebook Messenger app. So in my case, I'm going to open my Facebook Messenger app here. You have to tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner and then tap on settings with the gear icon. And here you have to look for archive section. If you can't find it here, just simply go back and look for archive section here. Just open the archive section and you have to make sure that the message you want to recover is not in your archive section, because sometimes it might be that you haven't deleted your message, it's just sent or moved into archive section. So you have to make sure that you haven't anything in the archive section here. Then go back from here and go for message requests, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any message requests. Just have the spam option and just look for the person, because sometimes it might be there will be any server issue or any glitch due to your messages sent to spam or messages request center. Or after that, if you can't find the message here, so there's the only way to recover that. You have to open your Facebook app and here tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner. In your Android phone, you might get it here. Just tap on the menu option and then tap on settings and privacy option here. Tap on settings. Here select account center. Just scroll down and look for the option of your information and permission. Select that option here. Just tap on export your information here and just wait for this loading and then select create export. Then select your Facebook account. Select export to device. And here you just have to select customize information. You must have to try to clear all of these. So just simply deselect or clear all of these, and once you have done that, you just have to go back and here look for the messages option. Here's the messages, simply select that and then select save and then tap on this start export option. So here you must have to try to enter your Facebook account password, and once you have entered your Facebook account password, your informations or your messages will be exported or will be ready to download. Here go to your information and permissions option again. So you must have to wait for this until your download ready. So here I have already something downloaded. It's my messages, but for my Instagram, so simply tap on this download option. Once you get that download complete, tap on the download option here, and after that you will get a file into your files app, and you can easily read all of your messages into your files app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.